Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually learn anything. When I mean anything, you can learn anything using AI. Now, we're going to be exploring a powerful feature called generative UI. When you hear of generating, it means to generate. So Gemini is able to generate different user interface. It can build app on the go, it can write code on the go, just to make learning simple, to make learning interactive. So what we're going to be doing, on the screen, you can see on the screen, it says from a system thinking perspective, help me understand the fundamentals of data analysis. Note, I am an absolute beginner. Now you send the prompt, right? So go to the next place. Say, from a system thinking perspective, help me to understand the fundamentals of data analysis. Note, I'm an absolute beginner. Now, when you come to this place, we are going to activate that generative user interface that makes learning very easy. So you click on this dynamic view. Now you click on send. Now you're going to be seeing that two things is going to happen. This one is going to build an app on the go, like a UI app, just to make learning very, very easy. Why we have here on the screen, you'll see, welcome. Adopting a system thinking mindset is actually one of the best ways to learn data analysis. Instead of getting bogged down in complicated maths and coding immediately, it allows you to see the big picture of how information flows and transforms. Well, why this method of learning is very interesting, because it's more of reading, and then you're reading. It's awesome, right? It's awesome. But compare it to this. So this one usually takes time. Let's wait for it while it builds our UI. So while you get this interface, you can see the tests are just there, but using the other interface that we just activated, the visual guide, you can see that already we have an interactive, it has generated a UI, and the learning is so seamless. Context and environment, so help you to really understand what data analysis is all about, from what is it the environment, the reward. It talks about this from the system perspective, talks about common tools, domain knowledge, interviews, and business logic, right? And come here scenario, you run a coffee shop, define the goal. So, and then the next step is for you to input data, right? So I'm not here to explore all these things, to talk about data analysis, but I'm here just for you to see how powerful, how learning becomes very, very easy. Like how learning becomes, this is another level of learning. You learn on the go. Do you understand? So some of the things that you watch, you have to watch various videos to understand. Using this method, you can actually learn and improve your understanding, right? As a start new cycle, right? So it's so powerful. You know, so it makes whole learning very easy. And mind you, you can also share this conversation, you can pin it, you can rename it, you can do anything with it. You can even continue the conversation forward, right? We started with an easy prompt. You can say from here we started with from a system thinking perspective, fundamentals of data analysis. You can have a whole lot of prompts that helps you understand data analysis. Just by you using this dynamic view, you can make your learning very, very easy. I hope this makes sense to you. Kindly like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.